Good morning, everyone. I was asked to demonstrate this stitch here. It's called Oyster stitch. It's actually in this book, Creative Stitches for Contemporary Embroidery. Volume 2 is coming out soon. It's got a lot more interesting stitches for people in it. But anyway, this book is Volume 1. Anyway, Oyster stitch is in this book. I've just got a few examples here for you. So here I've used quite a thick stitch. This is actually thicker than Pearl 5. It'd be the equivalent of about Pearl 3. And it's quite a nice chunky result. This is Pearl 5, used in another situation. You'll see it used a lot in my work. I like it because it produces a result very quickly. The other thing you can do is add a bead in between the stitches. Basically what you do is you do a stitch, add a bead, do a stitch, add a bead. And that can produce another line, textured line altogether. You bring the thread out from the back of the fabric, of course. Insert your needle just below that where you've come out and take a small bite of the fabric, like so. And then you get your thread, you wrap it over the needle and under the needle. Take your needle through the fabric, and you've produced a little tiny cross chain stitch. And then you pass your needle under the top. Now I'm going to bring this up to the camera so you can see what I've done. So just that little loop, just there, you pass your needle under that loop, not through any other part of the stitch, just under the top. Then you pull your needle through, taking it around like so. And then insert your needle just there. See? At the top of the stitch. Bring your needle out at the base of the stitch, at the bottom of the stitch. Pull your thread through. And that is your first oyster stitch. I'm just trying to get the texture there for you. I'll do that again. Make the next stitch. So I move along the line a little bit, insert my needle, take a bite of the fabric, wrap the thread over the needle and then under the needle. Take your needle through. Pass your needle under this little bar. Take the needle through. It'll form like a little knot thing. Insert at the top of the stitch. Bring your needle out at the bottom of the stitch. Pull your needle through. And there's your second oyster stitch. And you continue down the line. I hope that's been useful for you and clear. And thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.